Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch TikTok Pro account. So let's begin our video. So first of all you need to go your profile. Here you can see this is my profile, and now first of all you need to tap on the top right corner three dot option. Here you can see, so just select it, and now you need to go manage account on the top. Here you can see manage account, so tap it, and after that you get a option on the down. Here you can see switch to pro account, so just select this, and guys after that you need, there have a two option, creator or business. Who is on your video category, just select it. I select creator and then continue, and after that need to select category. I select education, then next, then select your gender, then done. Okay, that's completed. Now your TikTok video or TikTok account is switched pro account. There have a lot of extra benefit you get, like there have a new option analytics. Here you can see analytics option you get now when you switch your account pro. So go here, and now you can watch or you can see who views your TikTok video or TikTok channel, how many people reach, how many people views. You can watch everything. You get extra benefit from TikTok Pro account. So guys, in this way you can switch TikTok Pro account. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video.